Hello and welcome to Hobby Electronics, and I'm Nick. And on this episode I'm going to be showing you how to etch your very own circuit board. Okay, so the things that we need for this project are a blank PCB board with copper on one side and plexiglass on the other, a form of steel wool, a black felt texture, a plastic container, and ammonium persulphate. And also you will need some safety equipment such as gloves and goggles, and also a template of some sort for a circuit. And with your template you also want to make some holes as to where the component legs are going to go. This will come in handy later. Okay, so the first step in this build is to lay out your template on the copper side of the PCB board, and where you put the holes on your template for the component legs, you would need to go over that with the black felt texture, and this will make a mark on the copper board. Okay, so now what you want to do is darken up those dots with your black felt texture and join the necessary dots together. Okay, so now you need to cut out your design from the copper board, and then it's time for etching. Okay, so I'm back and I've cut out my board, and now for the etching process you will need a small container of some sort and some ammonium persulphate. Okay, so I've got my small container and my ammonium persulphate and some rubber gloves on, and I'm all ready to etch. And when mixing ammonium persulphate with water, you want to mix them to the ratio of 1 to 5. 1 part ammonium persulphate, 5 parts water. Today I'll be doubling that. Okay, my board's been in the solution for about 7 minutes now, and it's starting to take the copper away from the edges, and it's starting to turn the water a slight blue colour. Okay, so now I've taken my board out of the solution, I've given it a wash, and it was in there for about 12 or so minutes, and now it's time to wipe the black felt texture off with some methylated spirits. And here is my final product.